Hey, it's your old pal eating good in the woods here with a really quick, delicious one-bowl dinner. Stick around, I'm going to show you how. First, we're going to need to make this into a pot of mashed potatoes and fry up a pound of ground beef. And then you're going to need some vegetables. I'm having baby carrots and sweet peas. Into our ground beef, we're going to put our sweet peas, our carrots, and about 2 to 4 cups of that ale gravy we made last week. I'll link the recipe up top here. Woo-hoo, that looks hardly fit to eat, don't it? Now let's give it a little taste. That's like being in a pub in Scotland, I ain't gonna kid you. Until next time, God bless you guys, be nice to each other, I love you. See you next time.